Hello friends, welcome to Programming with Rakesh. In this channel, I'm going to create videos related to web development and programming. I myself is a software engineer having 15 plus years of experience, and I would like to share my knowledge with you guys. I am specialized into web development, especially into front end, and I have also experience into back end. So using this channel, my main aim is to teach people who want to learn web development. I'm going to create tutorials related to HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, some of the frameworks like Vue, React, Angular, some of the databases videos like SQL, etc. So if you are a fresher or if you are an experienced professional who want to enhance and who want to switch into another technologies, so I'm going to create videos for you guys. So if you want to understand those technologies and want to connect with me, do subscribe my channel. I'm going to create videos in mostly in English, but also in Hindi. So based on the request, I'm going to create in both the languages. So meet you in the next video, and I would request you to subscribe my channel if you like my video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.